Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today, let us dive in and learn how to say
Miami,
is the name of a famous city located in the state of Florida, USA. It is well known for its beautiful beaches, warm climate, and vibrant nightlife. It is also an important tourist and cultural hub.
Miami, 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 Miami.
Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.